Hello and welcome to the video. Today we have this black Volkswagen App GTI model that came to us for the rear parking sensors upgrade. I'm going to show you here the rear bumper. You can probably see me here. Hello. The rear bumper has no sensors whatsoever at the moment, as you can see there. And what we'll be adding is the OEM Volkswagen App reversing sensors. I'm going to come into the car as well and show you here. It's got this radio that will not only beep when you're reversing, but it will also show the display here with the rear sensors. So let me just start the car. It comes up with GTI, which is quite nice. And if I select a reverse gear, which I just have, put it into reverse, you can see nothing changes. There's no beeping in the car. It's because the car doesn't obviously have it, and the screen doesn't change. But once we install it, it'll be done to the factory specifications. So when you select the reverse gear, the sensors, radars will appear on the screen here, showing you, not only guiding you with the acoustic noise, but also visual aspect of it will be available here. So let's get to it, and we show you when it's all completed. The job is completed. So let's have a look now at the installed sensors at the back. So you can immediately see here, sensors are sitting here, one, and there's another external one. And on the app, the funny thing is, it's only 3 sensors, not 4. I mean, it's not funny, it's just interesting that it's one in the middle, one on the left, and one on the right. So in total, if I zoom out, you can see one there, and one on the other side there. So yeah, that's how they look. I'll show you. They are flash mounted, obviously, exactly as from factory. One is going to go here for you, show you as well. 2, and the third one is just there. I'm sorry, we've got a lot of reflection, but we can't do anything about it. So, but I'm sure you can see the sensors. Now, let me show you how it operates. So I'm going to get in. As I earlier said, it will come up on the screen here. So we're starting with the GTI, and again, if I select reverse gear, which is here, you can immediately hear the beeping. So it's engaged, and now we see the back of the car here and the radars that are displaying as well. So let me actually start the car, and we could try to reverse. So I'll show you how that operates now. So if I'm gonna go towards another car, sorry, I'm reversing at the same time, just to show you how they operate, how it all works. So the sensors will start picking up, and the yellow lines will start coming up, as you can see here, and then they will get closer and closer. And now when it's red, that means stop. And usually it's about a foot length when it's red. So you know we've got a little bit more still to go. And if we move forward, I've disengaged the reverse, so it disappears. And I'm moving forward, they are off. So that's how they work exactly. All done to the factory specification, including 3 years warranty. For more information, just get in touch with us. Links will be in the description as always. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.